What is compute in AWS? Definition: Compute in AWS provides the power to run applications and servers using cloud based computers. Amazon EC2 gives you virtual servers that can grow or shrink automatically based on your needs. AWS Lambda lets you run your code without having to manage servers, and you only pay for the time your code is running. Real life example: Imagine you have a website that gets different amounts of traffic at different times. With Amazon EC2, your virtual servers can automatically get bigger when lots of people visit your site and shrink when traffic is low. This keeps your site running smoothly without you have to manually adjust server sizes. For tasks like handling user requests or processing data, AWS Lambda can run your code only when needed, saving you money and reduces the need to manage servers. What is storage in AWS? Definition: Storage in AWS means you can store and manage your data in the cloud with flexible and reliable options. Amazon S3 lets you store any kind of files like photos and videos, while Amazon EBS provides storage for data that need to be accessed quickly, like the files used by running the applications. Real life example: Imagine you have a website where users upload millions of images. With Amazon S3, you can store all the images securely and make them available to users all over the world quickly and reliably. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, AWS storage services like S3 and EBS makes it easier to handle large amounts of data safely and efficiently. What is networking in AWS? Definition: Networking in AWS helps connect your cloud resources securely and efficiently. Amazon VPC allows you to create private networks. Route 53 helps direct internet traffic to your services. And Direct Connection provides a dedicated high speed connection to your data center. Real life example: Imagine you are creating a secure online store. With Amazon VPC, you can keep your payment server separate for the rest of your site for extra security. Route 53 makes sure customers can easily find your store online, and Direct Connect offers a fast and private link between your store's cloud services and your office network. These AWS networking tools ensure your online store runs smoothly and safely. What is database in AWS? Definition: In AWS, databases help you store and manage large amounts of data. AWS provides different types of databases for different needs. Amazon RDS for traditional databases like MySQL, Amazon DynamoDB for fast, flexible NoSQL databases, and Amazon Redshift for analyzing big data. These services are designed to handle lots of data, keep it safe, and make sure it's always available. Real life example: Imagine you have a mobile app where users create and share content. Amazon RDS can store user profiles and other structured data, make it easy and quick to access. Amazon DynamoDB can handle the contest updates and real-time data for user activities. For analyzing data and understanding user behavior, Amazon Redshift can process and summarize large amounts of data. These AWS databases services help your app run smoothly and grow without problems. What is security in AWS? Definition: Security in AWS means keeping your data and systems safe for unauthorized accesses and cyber threats. AWS provides the tools and services for security, but you are also responsible for managing and protecting your resources. Real life example: Imagine you run an online store on AWS. With AWS IAM, you can control who has access to customer data and transaction records. AWS CloudTrail logs all activities in your account, so you can monitor for any suspicious actions. AWS Guard Duty detects potential security threats and alerts you, helping keep your website safe and secure. These AWS security tools help protect your businesses and customer information. What are AWS availability zones? Definition: AWS availability zones are separate data centers within a AWS region. Each availability zone has its own power, cooling, and network connections. If one availability zone has a problem, the others keep working. Availability zones are connected with fast networks, so you can create reliable and flexible applications by using multiple availability zones. Real life example: imagine you have a website on AWS. By putting parts of your website in different availability zones, you make sure that even if one availability zone has an issue, your website stays online. This way, AWS availability zones help keep your website running smoothly no matter what. What are AWS regions? Definition: AWS regions are different geographic areas around the world, each with multiple data centers called availability zones. These zones have separate power, cooling, and network but are connected by fast links. Using multiple availability zones in a region helps keep your applications running smoothly. Using multiple regions adds even more reliable in case one region has problems. Real life example: imagine you run a global online service with AWS. You can host your services in different AWS regions, like one in North America and other in Asia. This makes sure that users all over the world can access your services quickly. If there is an issue in one region, like a network problem or natural disaster, your services will still work in other regions. This way, AWS regions help keep your services run smoothly no matter what happens. What is auto scaling in AWS? Definition: auto-scaling in AWS automatically changes the number of services, like EC2 instances, your application uses based on how busy it is. It adds more services when there is a lot of traffic to keep things running smoothly, and reduces the number when traffic is low to save money. Real life example: imagine you run an online store. During busy shopping times, AWS auto scaling can automatically add more servers to handle the extra traffic. When things are quieter, it reduces the number of services to lower your cost. This way, your websites stay faster and responsive, and you only pay for what you need. What is AWS SES? Definition: AWS Simple Email Service is a reliable email platform for sending and receiving emails, suitable for transitional, marketing, and notification purposes. It eliminates the need for maintaining email services and integrates seamlessly with other AWS services like Lambda, S3, and SNS. SES offers features for email authentication, handling bounced emails, and detailed monitoring to ensure emails are delivered successfully. It supports efficient sending of bulk emails with fast delivery times. Real life example: imagine you operate a subscription service using AWS SES. You can automate the sending of personalized emails to subscribers, such as confirming their subscriptions or notifying them about new content updates. AWS SES can be integrated with AWS Lambda to send these emails based on user actions, ensuring timely and relevant communications. This setup simplifies your email operations, ensuring reliable delivery and effective management of customer communications through AWS SES. What are key pairs in AWS? Definition: in AWS, key pairs are security keys used to securely connect to virtual server instances. Each key pair consists of a public key stored onto the server instance and private key kept confidential by the user. These keys are used to encrypt and decrypt data during communication, ensuring the connections are secure and unauthorized access is prevented. Real life example. Imagine you manage AWS EC2 instances that host your website. By using a key pair, you can securely access these instances from anywhere. The public key is placed on the server instance while you keep the private key secure. This setup ensures that only authorized users with the private key can connect to and manage the instances, which helps protect your web application and sensitive data from unauthorized access. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to check out my other videos for more content. Thanks for your support.